In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Davinci Resolve. We'll walk through finding the official download, choosing the right version and operating system, and starting the download safely and correctly. First, open your favorite web browser and in the search bar type Davinci Resolve. This ensures the latest download page is easy to find even if you don't remember the exact address. From the results, click the official link from Blackmagic Design, the company that makes Davinci Resolve. Avoid sponsored ads that lead to third-party sites. On the official site, you should see the Davinci Resolve product page with clear options to download or buy. On that page, look for the button that says Free Download Now or the option that says Buy Online Now. Choose Free Download Now if you want the standard version, which is extremely capable and perfect for most editors. Choose Buy Online Now if you're purchasing the Studio Edition, which adds advanced features like extra effects, AI tools, and more professional codecs. Next, pick the exact build you want. Davinci Resolve 20 for the free edition, or Davinci Resolve Studio 20 for the paid edition. Then select your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Be sure you match your computer's platform, and it's a good idea to quickly check the system requirements listed on the page so you know your machine meets the minimum specs. After you choose the version and platform, a form will appear. Fill in the required details, which typically include basic personal, address, and product information. Provide accurate information, as this helps Blackmagic Design offer proper support and updates. Fields marked as optional can be left blank, and for anything not applicable, you can usually enter NA. Before submitting, review the privacy notice or terms if they're shown, and double-check for typos so you receive any confirmation messages without issues. When everything looks good, click Register and Download. Your browser should begin downloading the installer file right away. If you're prompted to allow the download, confirm it. The installer can be several gigabytes, so keep your computer awake and stay on a stable internet connection. If the download doesn't start, check your pop-up blocker or try another browser. Once it begins, you can monitor progress in your browser's downloads area, and when it finishes, you'll find the installer in your downloads folder, ready to run whenever you're set to install. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully started the download for Davinci Resolve.